Everyone dreams of waking up one day to see their TikTok blow up with 1 million followers or watching their YouTube channel skyrocket overnight. But what if I told you that dream isn't just possible, it's already happening right now to thousands of creators? There's a brand new AI video niche that's exploding across the internet, and it's so powerful that complete beginners are going viral in just days. One creator recently hit over 993,000 followers, and by the time you're watching this, he might already be past 1 million. And here's the crazy part. He didn't film the videos, he didn't record his voice, he didn't even edit them by hand. Every single video was created using completely free AI tools, the same tools you can start using today. These AI-generated videos are so engaging and so perfectly optimized that people can't stop watching them, and the algorithm can't stop recommending them. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral short-form videos, step by step. You'll learn how to automate the whole process and grow your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube channel faster than you ever thought possible. So stay with me until the end, because once you see how simple this really is, you'll never look at viral content the same way again. Let's get started.
I have a ready copy-paste template for this tutorial, and for you to get access to it, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video to get access to my Google Doc where I have my prompts, okay? And then you're going to copy this first prompt right here. This is my prompt template. So you can use this template for anything, any food type that you want to use it for. And then when you copy this template, then you're going to come over to ChatGPT and paste the template right here. And then, just like I have done, and then you're going to come down to say, use the above template to write a voiceover script. What happens inside your body when you eat a banana? And here, ChatGPT gave me a detailed voiceover script. This is it right here. So I have everything in the Google Doc, so you'll be able to get access to it. Okay, so this is my voiceover script. So then I went ahead to tell ChatGPT this. I said, I want a detailed video prompt for the script. Give me the video prompts for each line of the script. And here is it. ChatGPT gave me a video prompt line by line. So line 1, line 2, all the way to line 14. Right here, ChatGPT gave me the script for each line and then the prompt to get my animation. You can see it right here. This is the script, and then this is the prompt for my animation. So now that I've gotten all I want here, now I'm going to head over to Google AI Studio to generate my voiceover. And then I pasted my prompts on Google AI Studio. This is the voiceover script. And then Google AI Studio generated my script for me. So let's play it and see.
When you eat a banana, the first step of digestion begins in your mouth. Your teeth mash the banana into a...
So you can see that my script is ready. And then I went ahead to download my voiceover. All right. So the next thing is for me to generate the animation. And then I'm going to head over to Flow to generate my animation. So here is my flow where I'm going to generate my video. So I'm going to go ahead to copy the first prompt. Now here is my video prompt, line by line video prompt. Then I'm going to go ahead to copy. This is line 1. When you eat a banana, the first step of digestion begins in your mouth. So I'm going to go ahead to copy this first prompt here and head over to Flow to generate my video. So here in Flow, I pasted my prompt. You're going to leave it in text to video and then come over here to choose your aspect ratio. So if you are using this for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you're going to have to choose the portrait. Okay, so and I chose 1 output per prompt video generation to save more credits. And when that is done, you're going to come over here to click on generate. And here we are. Our first video is ready. So let me go ahead and play it. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the second prompt. So back to my Google Doc. And then copy the prompt for line 2. And back to Flow. and then I'm going to hit generate. So here is my prompt 2. Very good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that of line 3. Here, line 3. Copy. And I've pasted line 3 here, and then generate. And here we are. This is line 3.
As the bolus enters the esophagus, a wave of muscle contraction, known as peristalsis, pushes the food downward toward the stomach.
So we're not going to use this voiceover that the video is giving us because we already have our voiceover script. So this is what you're going to do. This is how you're going to generate all the videos for different scenes that you're going to compile together. So I'm just going to go ahead to generate the remaining video, and then we'll move on to the next step. So here is the remaining videos. I've generated all videos. These are the videos. All the way to the very last. Okay, now that I have all my videos ready, I'm going to head on to CapCut to merge all my videos together and cut off some unwanted parts of the video that are irrelevant and merge everything together. All right, so let's head on to CapCut. So here on CapCut, I've selected all the videos and I merged them together. And then the next thing I did was to add captions to my video, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is just come over here to auto captions, and then you're going to see different caption templates. Click here to get access to more templates. Here are the different templates that you can choose from. So I went to this particular one. Okay, and then when you click on the one you want, you're going to come over here to click on generate, and then you generate and your captions will be displayed. So you can decide to also position your caption where you want it to be. You can increase the size of your caption. You can also reduce the size of your caption. Okay, all right. So this is it, and then I've merged all the videos together, added my captions. I've already cut out some unwanted parts of the videos that I do not want. And I also increased the speed of my voiceover script. I added my voiceover script. How do you do that? This is how you add your voiceover script. We're going to come over here to audio. You click on audio, and then we're going to click on sound. Click on sound to take you straight to your music file, and then you upload directly. Go to your media. This is media, and then you'll be able to upload your voiceover script. Now I have my voiceover here. This is it. Okay, so this is how to create these videos, and then let me just go ahead to play the entire video for you to see. Now I muted all the video clips so that the voiceover script that I have generated will be heard clearly. All right, and then let's go ahead and play it.
When you eat a banana, the first step of digestion begins in your mouth. Your teeth mash the banana into a soft paste, while enzymes in your saliva instantly begin breaking down its natural sugars and fiber. The softened banana then slides smoothly down your esophagus, already partially digested before it even reaches your stomach. Once it enters your stomach, strong stomach acids and digestive juices break it down even further. This releases important nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6 into the mixture. Inside your stomach, the banana turns into a smooth, nutrient-rich liquid called chyme, the perfect form for your body to absorb. This chyme then moves into your small intestine where the real magic happens. Tiny finger-like structures called villi absorb the nutrients straight into your bloodstream. Potassium supports your heart and muscles, fiber supports healthy digestion, vitamin B6 fuels your brain and energy production, and natural sugars provide clean, steady energy without a crash. Within minutes, your body begins to feel the effects. better focus, a stable mood, and gentle, lasting energy. A banana isn't just a snack, it's a full-body energy boost designed perfectly by nature.
So you can see how easy it was for me to generate this video. It's super, super easy. Just follow the templates that I've already dropped for you in the Google Doc and create your own video. You can upload it on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, and Instagram and Facebook, and you can get monetized for this. Also, I have example episodes that you can use with this template, and also I have a bonus series ideas that you can also use to create videos like this. You can see it right here. What happens when you eat a burger? What happens when you drink milk? So you can actually create videos based on all these topics and upload on any social media platform. I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a video. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.